Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to look at the 3 uses of na in Igbo language. Yes, the 3 uses of na in Igbo language. But before we delve into what we have for today, my name is Ngozika. I'm from Ngozika, that typical Igbo girl from the eastern part of Nigeria, Anambra State precisely, and you are welcome, okay? If today is your first time here, thank you for stopping by. I promise you a truckload of fun. I really appreciate you, okay? To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting my channel. You guys are the best. Please don't forget to hit the like button, turn the notification bell, and hit the subscribe button, so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Yes, so let's delve right into today's video. Good. So in today's video, we are going to look at na, the 3 uses of na in Igbo language. Yes, it can be used as conjunction, yes, preposition, and auxiliary verb. And I think in our previous video, we looked at different conjunctions and as they are used in our Igbo language. I'll leave a link in the description and also leave a link on the screen at the end of this video so that you have access to those videos. Yes, I think I made 2 videos on that topic, conjunctions, okay? Now that being said, good. Now let's look at how na is used as conjunction, okay? The first example, first of all, we all know conjunctions are joining of words and sentences, okay? So now let's look at na as a conjunction in Igbo language. The first example is this: our people and the white men will compete today. Our people and the white men will compete today. Ndị be anyị na ndị ọcha ga-asọ mpi taa. Ndị be anyị na ndị ọcha ga-asọ mpi taa. That is, our people and the white men will compete today. Ndị be anyị na ndị ọcha ga-asọ mpi taa. So you see, in this sentence, na plays the role of bringing together 2 ideas. 2 ideas. Ndị be anyị, our people and the white men, na ndị ọcha ga-asọ mpi taa. Our people and the white men will compete today. You see? Yes. The second one is preposition, okay? In Igbo, preposition is called mbuzo. Mbuzo. That's preposition. Conjunction is njiko, okay? Njiko. So today we are going to look at na as a preposition, okay? As a preposition used in Igbo language. But we're going to look at that in 2 ways, okay? When a consonant follows na, that is, when a consonant follows na, normally the na is written in full, okay? Is written in full. Now let's give an example for you to understand what I am talking about, okay? Now let's look at these sentences, okay? The first sentence is this: Chioma bi namba. Chioma bi namba. Chioma lives in a foreign land. Chioma lives in a foreign land. So look at it. Bi namba. Namba. Mba starts with a consonant, that's M, okay? Mba. Chioma bi namba. The second one is this: Alex golu ana na Lagos. Alex golu ana na Lagos. So you see that? Na Lagos. Lagos starts with L. So it's a consonant. So when you are writing something like this, then na is retained fully. Okay? That's the preposition of na when it comes to consonants following na in a sentence, you write na in full. Alex golu ana na Lagos, na Lagos, because of the L. Okay, yes. Now we are going to look at na followed by a vowel. Okay, when na is followed by a vowel, it is shortened by replacing the a, that's the a, with an apostrophe. Okay, so let's look at these sentences for you to have a clearer understanding of what I'm trying to explain. Okay, the first example is this: Chioma bi n'Awka. Chioma bi n'Awka. You see, na and the Awka. A starts Awka. So A is a vowel. A is a vowel. Awka starts with A. A is a vowel. So you see, the two cannot work, na and Awka, at the same time. So you replace the a in the na with an apostrophe. That is when it will work when you are spelling or writing. Okay, Chioma bi n'Awka. Chioma bi n'Awka. Okay, now other examples are n'enu, n'enu, na enu. Enu starts with e. So n'enu, you remove the a and replace that with an apostrophe. N'enu, nana. N'enu, up. Nana, down. N'akụkụ, beside. N'akụkụ, beside. We have n'iru, n'iru, in front. Okay, yes, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. That is when na is used as preposition in Igbo. Okay, so there's something you must know. When you write na and Awka, Chioma bi n'Awka, Chioma bi n'Awka in full, it's wrong. Okay, the simple reason is because the na is followed by a vowel and nothing more. That's the only reason why it is wrong. Whenever na is followed by a vowel, you have no choice than to replace the a, that's the a, in na with an apostrophe. This only works when you are writing, but when you are speaking, it's still na. Obi n'Awka, obi n'Awka, nothing changes. It only changes when you are writing. Okay, so know the difference. Okay. And the next one is auxiliary verb. We are going to look at how na is used as auxiliary verb in Igbo language. In Igbo language, we call the auxiliary verb enyemaka ngwa. Enyemaka ngwa in Igbo language. Okay, let's look at these examples, okay, from which I'm going to explain how we apply na in our sentences, Igbo sentences, when we are talking about auxiliary verb. Okay. Emeka na-agba ọsọ. Emeka na-agba ọsọ. Emeka na-agba ọsọ. Emeka is running. Emeka is running. When it comes to auxiliary verb, there is a hyphen between na and the verb. The verb in this sentence is run, running. So Emeka na-agba ọsọ. Na hyphen gba ọsọ. Okay? Na hyphen agba ọsọ. Emeka na-agba ọsọ. Emeka na-agba ọsọ. That is the auxiliary verb. Another sentence is Chioma na-eli nri. Chioma na-eli nri. Na-eli nri. Chioma na-eli nri. Na hyphen eli nri. Why? Na hyphen a verb. Na hyphen a verb. Chioma is eating. Chioma na eli nri. So we have Chioma na hyphen eli nni. Chioma is eating. Ne eli nni, eating. Okay, eating. That's a verb. So we have na hyphen eating. Chioma na eli nni. Okay. Another sentence there is this. Chibuzo na-ebe akwa. Chibuzo na-ebe akwa. Chibuzo is crying. Chibuzo na-ebe akwa. Chibuzo is crying. Chibuzo na hyphen ebe akwa. Ebe akwa is something Chibuzo is doing. Therefore, that is a verb. Na-ebe, doing. Okay? So make no mistake. Always remember that when we talk about using na as auxiliary verb in making Igbo sentences, na is always followed by a verb. excuse me. Na is always followed by a verb. Okay? That's only when you can put your hyphen between the two, na and the verb. Don't forget it. That's the auxiliary verb for you. Okay? Yes. So we come to the end of today's video. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I make new uploads, you always be the first to be notified. Ngozika. Bye.